Hello friends, welcome to my new video. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Friends, today I will talk to you about cross stitch, which is slowly trending. So, I thought why not update you on it now. We are showing you cross stitch pattern in today's video. Hope you will like these designs. All designs are very trending, beautiful and stylish. Friends, if you want to do something new and you don't understand anything, then you can try these new designs from my video. These designs are going to be very attractive. Friends, you can guess by looking at the design of this video. Friends, watch full video before liking any design. Please don't forget to take a screenshot of which design you like. Make sure to tell which design you like in the comment box. Let us know what you like so that we can bring new designs according to your choice. Friends, if we talk about fashion, some new trends are always coming. Friends, if you don't know what to do in this trend, cross stitch patterns have come in such a trend. Friends, it will give you a very relaxed and stylish look. All the designs are very attractive and unique. Cross stitch patterns have created an image that keeps trending from time to time. These are very beautiful cross stitch designs. It has different colors which looks quite decent. It depends on you, what you like. First of all, friends, I have a small request for you. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon given along with it so that the notification of my every upcoming video can reach you and you can watch my videos and can get new ideas. Friends, I have brought you an outstanding collection. As many designs as you see, everyone can say, wow, very beautiful. Because all these designs which I have collected for you, I have painstakingly made a video for you. For that, you can get new ideas. I thought, why not share them with my viewers and my If you guys like this video, please share it with your friends also, so that they can also get new ideas from my video. Please watch full video without skipping. People will see very cute and new designs from my video. So friends, please visit my channel, because hopefully you will get benefit from my video and can get new ideas from the videos, and hopefully you will enjoy these videos very much. Friends, like this video and subscribe the channel to stay tuned in the world of fashion, so you don't get left behind and we can continue to share the life connected with fashion, and you continue to get new ideas and enjoy from my video. A cross stitch pattern is a digital file with the instructions and a symbolic chart that you use to craft a piece of embroidery. I sell digital patterns only, so you will need to provide the fabric, thread and needle. From beautiful flower patterns and adorable animals designs to easy cross stitch patterns with letters and words, we have the best selection of free cross stitch patterns. These free cross stitch patterns will keep you stitching all year long. There is a wide variety of style and something new for you, whether you love traditional patterns or you only want to stitch up modern pieces. Also, the size and numbers of thread colors which are used increases the difficulty of the pattern. Cross stitching was traditionally used for decorating household, dishcloths or table lines. Nowadays, this type of embroidery serves as a framed art and wall decorations. Many people even take up cross stitching as a hobby for its relaxing and distressing powers. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this full video. Hopefully we will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Until then, keep smiling and take care of yourself. Stay happy always and remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye. Hello friends, welcome to my new video. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Friends, today I will talk to you about cross stitch, which is slowly trending. So I thought, why not update you on it now? We are showing you cross stitch pattern in today's video. Hope you will like these designs. All designs are very trending, beautiful and stylish. Friends, if you want to do something new and you don't understand anything, then you can try these new designs from my video. These designs are going to be very attractive. Friends, you can guess by looking at the design of this video.